Hello. Yes, here I am. I just got a tool, brand new tool, came from China. They say it's supposed to open Mul-T-lock. That's the tool. I'm gonna try now. I'm not gonna try with the most secure lock. I'm gonna try with the old version of Mul-T-lock. Is the 06 called the Classic. Here's the card. Here's the keys. Here is the lock. Turning, the lock working, very good. It's locked. Let's try. Take the tool. The tool will show us the deepness, cut. Let's try. First of all, you need to put it in. I'm gonna put a little bit pressure on top. You know, they provide another tool that's supposed to be, I think, here. Then you tied it, and then you can put it in, and then it's supposed to be easier. Okay, so I'm gonna do it this way. Let's see how I'm gonna do it an angle. Okay. Basically going all over the pins to see if I can feel anything. I just felt something in pin number 3. Pin number 2 doesn't do much. I felt something. I'll be surprised if it'll open, but oi! Picked. So the tool is working. I'm surprised to say. This is the Classic. See, it doesn't even come off because it's holding. Let's see, yes. You can see. Oh, it's even locked now. Let's try to release it. Lock. And the key continue to work. Okay, so it's working.